up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and protect your stroller. Now, if you're a new parent, a new dad like me, you're going to want to protect your stroller right when you get it at the beginning. The stroller, one of the best tools for moving around your kid. And we actually got this stroller right here. We just picked it up. This is a baby jogger, super cool stroller. It's got 3 wheels. The maneuverability is great. But I picked this up for my little guy because it folds so small. I have so many different cars and I needed a stroller that goes in every single car. So I picked up this baby jogger. It folds super thin, and we actually picked up a blue version. So it's actually a blue colored, man. I noticed all the strollers are black. I wanted to get a blue one, and I want to keep it looking good. So we're gonna actually show you how to protect the stroller and keep it looking good 4 years with some protection and some cleaning techniques. Now, if you get a new stroller, it's best to protect it right at the beginning. But if you have an older stroller, you're first gonna wanna go ahead and clean the stroller. Now, to do that, I recommend our Masterson Super Cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner that has no color and no scent. It's safe around pets, kids, it's great on car seats, and it's gonna work great on this stroller. So first, before you go ahead and protect your stroller, I recommend to clean it with the Super Cleaner, get any milk stains off, any of the vomit, anything that kids have on the strollers that really does make a mess, you can get it off with the Super Cleaner. Now, this stroller is brand new, so we don't need to clean it up. We just opened it out of the box. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna protect it with our Masterson's Fabric Protectant Coating. Now, this is a non-aerosol fabric protectant nano coating. And what this is gonna do is this is gonna protect the fading, discoloration, and stains from coming on the stroller itself. Now, especially the top right here, because the stroller is so exposed to UV solar rays. This one says that it has UV 50 plus in it built into the fabric, you could see, but we're still gonna put a few coats of our Masterson's Fabric Protectant on it so it keeps that blue color. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to apply the coating to your stroller. So first, shake up the coating. I like to use this coating. This is non-aerosol, so it's safe for kids. It's safe around pets. It's great if you have kids and pets in your vehicle and you wanna keep it looking good. This is gonna resist stains. So now that my product's ready to go, what you wanna do is first spray just a light coat on the fabric. And this works on all the fabric as well. So you notice that there's fabric on the seat, but there's also fabric on the sides. And now, after I got a light coat, I'm just gonna open this up and I'm gonna spray a light coat right on the top as well. And just a light coat, that's all I'm gonna do. If you get some excess, just like you did right here, you can just go ahead and just blot it a little bit. There we go. And then reapply. We're just going with a light coat. This is gonna dry in just a few minutes. And then on the back side, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the backside as well. Remember, this works on all fabric, so this is all fabric as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna apply a heavy coat of our Masterson's Fabric Protectant. We'll see you in just a moment. So we're back after 10 minutes and our fabric protectant is dried over the stroller. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the heavier coat on there. The first coat was just a light coat to grab onto the surface. Now that it's got a good bond, let's go ahead and shake it up and put a full coat on. So I'm gonna shake it up and I'm gonna spray a full heavy coat all over this stroller. And this is gonna give a solid 12 months of protection to the stroller. You do a cleaning once a year, you give it some protection. If it gets on the plastic frame of the stroller, just take a microfiber cloth and wipe it off. It's gonna wipe off any type of metal or plastic that you might have on your stroller. Just make sure it doesn't dry. It's not designed to dry on plastic, so you wanna make sure that you just apply it to the fabric and remove it from plastic. Let's go ahead and pull down the cover. And let's spray it on the cover. Let's go on to the other side. There we go. And you notice we're getting a nice heavy coat on this fabric. And we'll turn it to the back side. And then we're gonna spray it back here too. There we go. Now I'm gonna wipe off the handle, wipe anywhere that I got any excess, and then we're gonna let this dry for 15 to 20 minutes. We're actually gonna wheel this outside and dry this in the sun. If you guys are able to do that and put it in the sun, that's the best thing to do. It's gonna dry better and seal up. So just take your stroller, put it outside in your backyard, right on your patio, let it dry for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna see the results. We'll see you in a moment. So we're back. It's been about 20 minutes. We actually took this stroller outside into the sun, let it dry. Once we put it in the sun, it dried so fast. Now that the coating layer is dried, it's dry to the touch, there's no moisture, and this thing looks good and is protected. That's what's so good about our Masterson's fabric protectant, is it works on all fabric surfaces of your car. And if you got a stroller, this is part of your car. It might almost live in your car. This one's gonna go on vacation, go and travel. And the cool thing about this is because it's gonna be in the sun, if it gets any rain on it, the water repelling technology and the fabric protecting coating makes it super hydrophobic. So water, moisture, stains, they're not gonna harm the stroller. And since we coated the whole inside of the stroller right here, if the child or the baby spills any milk, spills any juice, it's not gonna stain or absorb as easy into the fabric, so it's gonna stay looking good for a long period of time. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the videos we have right here on our YouTube channel. If you're a dad or a mom and you wanna pick this up, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com. We'll put a link right in the description to this video. You can also go right to the website and you can find everything you need to get your car, your stroller, any parts of your vehicle looking great. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.